In this video, I will be showing you how to find saved videos on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and navigate to the search bar. I type in YouTube and hit search. From the Google search results, I click on the main YouTube link to take us straight to the website homepage. Once YouTube loads, I browse through the videos on the homepage to find something I want to save for later. When I locate a video I like, I click on it to open up the video player page. While the video plays, I scroll down slightly below the video player title and details to access the action buttons. On the right side, next to options like share and download, I click on the three dots icon to open the extra options menu. From this menu, I click on the save option. A small pop-up window opens showing my available playlists. Here, I select watch later by checking the box next to it. A confirmation message appears at the bottom left confirming that the video has been saved to watch later. Now that the video is saved, I need to access my saved list. I navigate up to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines icon, which expands the left sidebar menu. In this side navigation panel, I look under the U section. I scroll down slightly and click directly on the Watch Later option. This takes me straight to my Watch Later playlist page, where all my saved videos are stored in one place. Here, I can easily see the video I just saved along with any other content added previously, allowing me to watch, reorder, or manage my saved YouTube videos anytime I want. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.